Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you all 4 simple, easy and instant chilla or pancake recipes which is super healthy and contains all required nutrients and perfect for your any meal. None of these recipes require overnight soaking or fermentation, and these recipes are high on protein and very quick to make. So let's begin. One I want to share here is oats and ragi chilla. This recipe has the goodness of oats along with ragi. I make my oats flour at home by blending rolled oats in mixer grinder. Here I have taken 4 tablespoons or half a cup of oats and 2 tablespoons of ragi. To begin with, I would love to add some vegetable in my chilla. So here I am chopping off half an onion, some spring onion and some green chilies. Now let's start to prepare the batter. For that, in a bowl, add the oats flour and ragi flour and all your chopped veggies. For seasoning, I am adding here salt, some cumin seeds which will really add a good taste to it, and little bit turmeric powder. Now add required amount of water and give it a good whisk. If you needed to add more water to it, please go ahead and do that. Make sure the consistency will be like thick dosa batter. This is a good way to add oats in your diet and have it in the morning. Once our batter is ready, we will start making the pancakes. So here I am taking a pan or tawa. I am gonna brush little oil in it. Please make sure the tawa is properly heated. And then I'm gonna pour the batter into it. Spread the batter properly and give it a good shape. Let it cook the bottom side about 3 to 5 minutes and then flip it to the other side. Allow to cook the other side for 3 to 5 minutes as well. Once you think it's cooked, then just transfer to a plate. This pancake is ready to be served. Have it with any kind of chutney. I'm gonna have this with some mint and coriander chutney which is prepared at home. And yes, enjoy this healthy chilla in your breakfast. Now moving into the next one, this is chickpea flour, besan or spinach chilla. For this, in a blender jar, I am adding some fresh spinach leaves. To that, I am adding here a piece of ginger and 2 green chilies. With that, a little bit of water to make a runny kind of paste. Blend it until it is really smooth. Once blending is done, then we'll start chopping our veggies. Here I'm just adding half an onion which will add a good taste to it. Then in a bowl I'm gonna add 4 to 5 tablespoons of besan or chickpea flour and the spinach paste. Just adding some water to that extra paste which is there in the jar. And then add chopped onion to it. For seasoning I'm adding little bit of pink salt. Whisk it together and make a smooth thick batter. Add water as per the required consistency. Once the batter is ready, let's start making the pancakes. So on the same pan, I'm again lightly oiled it with the help of the brush, and I'm now pouring the batter into it. Try to give it a decent shape. Let this cook for about 2 minutes. And once the bottom is cooked, flip it to the other side and allow it to cook it for another 2 minutes. I would suggest to make this chilla in medium flame. Once it's cooked properly, then transfer it to your serving plate. So yes, this chilla is ready now. I would love to have this with some red chili chutney, but you can have it with any of your favorite chutney you like. This is very tasty yet healthy at the same time, yummy for any kind of your meal. So next one I'm sharing here is multigrain chilla. To begin with, I will start chopping off my veggies, and here I am using half an onion, one grated carrot or shredded carrot, little shredded ginger, green chilies, some sweet corn and some chopped coriander. Once the veggies are ready, we will start making the batter. I have used here 3 different flour. So in a bowl, I have taken 2 tablespoons of sorghum flour, 2 tablespoons of buckwheat flour and 3 to 4 tablespoons of wheat flour. These are the grains which are super healthy and easily available in the market. Then add up all your veggies to it. See, so colorful it is looking. And for seasoning, I'm gonna add some salt, some roasted cumin powder, coriander powder, which will add super taste to it, and some turmeric powder for the color. Now give it a good whisk and make a smooth thick batter. This might take a little more water than other. So once the batter is ready, I'm gonna make the pancakes. So in the tawa again, I am gonna brush up little oil and pour the batter to it. Give it a good shape, but don't worry about it if it is not proper. This will take a little bit time to cook, so allow it about 4 to 5 minutes. Once the bottom is cooked, then flip it into other side. Let it cook about 3 to 4 minutes as well. Once it is cooked, then transfer it to a plate, and your healthy, yummy chilla is ready to be served. I would love to have this with some sweet and sour mango, pineapple, red chili homemade chutney. So yes, this super healthy chilla, you can have it in your breakfast or lunch or even in your dinner. It is full of nutrition and very good for health. So the next one here is maize or corn flour chilla or dosa. This is my absolute favorite. I just love the taste of it. So again, I'm gonna start chopping off my veggies for the chilla. And here I'm chopping off half an onion, some green chilies. Green chilies I like a lot to add into my recipes, but this is completely optional. Coriander leaves and half a tomato. To prepare this batter in a bowl, I'm gonna take 4 to 5 tablespoons of maize or corn flour and add all my chopped veggies. For seasoning, I'm using little bit pink salt and some turmeric powder to give it a good color, but this is also optional. You can leave it if you want. And add some water and make it watery consistency. This flour is little bit different from other flour, and it's like semolina or rava. If you make it watery consistency, dosa will come crispy and the taste will be very good. So once the batter is ready, I'm gonna start making our pancakes, and make sure your tawa is properly heated. As this is completely watery, so start pouring up from the corner of the tawa and fill the tawa with the batter and allow it to cook for 5 to 6 minutes. This will take a bit longer time than other. Once you can see the layer is crispy, then flip it to the other side. Allow it to cook for another 3-4 minutes. So yeah, you can now transfer it to your serving plate and enjoy this crispy, yummy, healthy chilla. I would love to have this with sambar, but you can have it with any of your favorite chutney. So this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you find this video useful, please give a thumbs up, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.